If you're doing 30K to 300K and don't know where to start, this is a single automation that will drive revenue for you this week. You've heard built flows, but which one first? There's welcome, abandoned cart, browse abandonment, post-purchase, analysis, paralysis. Meanwhile, campaigns eat your time and revenue is spiky. We'll build out the highest leverage welcome flow step by step, called the revenue engine. We'll map out every email and show you the metrics to watch out for, so let's do this. Every day without this flow is a day your ad spend bleeds. Bookmark this video and use the strategy on how we mapped out your welcome flow, or you can book a call with us and our team can help you build out this flow this week. And now you can check out this video where I explain how to improve your email open rates. Let me show you exactly why the welcome flow should be the first automation and how to build it step by step to start driving revenue this week. So why the welcome series first? Here's the thing. Every other flow depends on customer behavior. Abandoned cart needs people to abandon carts. Browse abandoned need people to browse. Post-purchase needs people to actually purchase first. But for the welcome flow, every single new subscriber sees it. That's 100% list exposure, which means even the smallest improvements can create massive impact. Think about it this way. If you get 1,000 new subscribers per month and your welcome flow converts at 5%, that's 50 new customers. Improve that conversion to 8% and you added 30 new customers while spending an extra dollar on ads. But here's what most people miss. The welcome flow doesn't drive immediate revenue. It shapes expectations for the entire brand relationship. It sets up the lifetime value by positioning your brand correctly from the first day. When someone joins your list, they're in the highest engagement state. They just took action on the brand. The welcome flow is your chance to capitalize on that momentum and turn interest into pure revenue. The architecture in Klaviyo. So let me show you the exact setup that works across every brand I implement this for. Your trigger is simple. List or profile created via pop-up, quiz, or any lead magnet on your website. You don't want to overcomplicate this. Someone joins your list and you enter the flow. Don't overcomplicate this step. It's simply if someone joins your list, they enter the welcome flow. You also need to add logic into this flow too. Buyers versus non-buyers get way different treatment. If someone purchases along that welcome series, they should exit and then enter your post-purchase flow instead. The cadence is 4 to 6 emails over 7 to 10 days. This gives you enough touch points to build the relationship without overwhelming new subscribers. Day 1, day 2, day 4, day 6, and optionally, day 8 and day 10, they should be receiving emails. So here's the email by email breakdown. Email 1, this is your value plus offer email. This goes out immediately after your sign up. Your headline should focus on the outcome they're getting, not on what you're selling. Get glass skin in 30 days, not welcome to our skincare brand. Everyone does that. Include your strongest social proof right out front, customer account, review average, or transformation photos. Then present your welcome incentive with clear rules. Something like, here is 20% off, valid for 7 days on orders over $50. Email 2, this is your trust building email. This goes out 24 hours later. You want to answer the why us question with 3 trust building bullets. Maybe it's your ingredient sourcing, your founder expertise, or your customer results. You can also include a founder photo and personal story. Strong email marketers understand that people buy from people and not companies. You want to make this feel like a personal introduction, not just any corporate bio. Email 3. This is your objection crusher email. You want to address the top 3 reasons why people hesitate to buy from you. Usually, it can be the return policy, sizing concerns, or even the product quality. In this email, remember to use real customer language from your reviews and support tickets. If a customer says, hey man, I was worried about the fit, address the fit specifically. Include any UGC that shows real people using your product successfully. Email 4. This is your education and use case email. This email focuses on helping them succeed. How to pick the right product, how to use it properly, and why certain bundles make sense together. This isn't a sales pitch either. It's genuinely helpful content that positions you as an expert while naturally leading to purchase decisions. Moving on to email 5. This is your urgency email. Remind them about the welcome offer with real urgency. Timing logic that actually expires, inventory updates are actually accurate, or social proof about how many others have claimed this offer. I do want to stress this a little bit. You don't want to fake urgency, but do create real reasons to act now. So here's where most people mess up. They send the same email to everyone. You need smart segmentation. Exclude recent purchasers from heavy discount emails. If someone bought yesterday, they don't need a 20% off today. If a recent purchaser slips through your welcome series, that just trains them to wait for discounts. Use conditional splits in Klaviyo to create different paths. Same flow structure, different offers, based on what they're interested in. So let me give you some subject lines that consistently outperform generic ones. Something like, your 20% off is live, plus 3 reasons to care. This works because it confirms the offer while also promising additional value. Before you buy, read this. This subject line creates curiosity and positions the emails as helpful, not a salesy email. Another subject line, we're not for everyone, but maybe for you. This uses exclusive psychology to increase engagement. And for the email content itself, you can use these high converting blocks. sticky review bars that show star ratings and customer count throughout the email. Then there's benefit icons that can make key points scannable, FAQ footers that handle common objections, UGC carousels that show real customers with your product. These elements increases engagement and conversion because they provide social proof and remove friction at the same time. Here's your KPIs and benchmarks. Here are the metrics you should be hitting with a proper optimized welcome flow. Open rate should be at least 45% to 60%. New subscribers are highly engaged, so anything below 45% means your deliverability needs work. And that's another topic for another video. Here are the KPI and benchmarks. These are the metrics you should be hitting with a proper optimized welcome flow. Open rate should be at least 45 to 60%. New subscribers are highly engaged, so anything below 45% means your subject line needs work or your deliverability is super bad. And that's another topic for another video. Conversion rate should be 3 to 8% across the entire flow. This is people who actually purchase and not just click. Revenue share target is 3 to 8% of your total email revenue in the first 30 days. So if email drives 100K per month, your welcome flow should drive 3 to 8K of that. If you're not hitting these benchmarks, you know exactly where to focus your optimization efforts. Moving on to the advanced automation strategies. Once you have the basic flows working, here are some advanced tactics you can double results. You can test different discount amounts and types. Sometimes free shipping outperforms percentage discounts, and sometimes dollar amount works better than percentages. You have to experiment with sending time as well. While I recommend the 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 day schedule, some brands actually do better with a tighter spacing or even longer delays. It really depends on your sales cycle and AOV. Next up, you can try different content angles. Some audience respond better to ingredient education, others to lifestyle content, others to social proof and reviews. It's your job as an owner and marketer to understand what resonates better with your audience. You can also use dynamic content blocks that changes based on how someone joins your list. Quiz taker might see personal product recommendations, while pop-up subscribers see just general bestsellers. Here's some common mistakes to avoid. You don't want to make your welcome flow just a series of product promotions. You need to build trust and provide value, not just push for sales. Something super important to know is you don't want to ignore mobile optimization. Over 60% of email opens happens in the mobile. So every email needs to look great on small screens. I can't stress it enough. Do not forget to test your emails. Send yourself through the flow, check all the links, and make sure the timing works. And verify that suppressions are actually working. You don't want your purchasers to be leaking into a new welcome series. And finally, you don't want to just set it and forget it. Review performance monthly and optimize based on what the data tells you. Something I learned recently is you have to trust your own data. Just because your other founder friend is telling you, hey, this works better than X, test your own data. If your data tells you otherwise, trust your own data. And let me tell you about the compound effect of having a welcome series. Here's what makes the welcome series so powerful. It compounds over time. Every month you get new subscribers, and every subscriber goes through this optimized experience. If you improve your welcome flow conversion by 2%, that improvements apply to every new subscribers for the month and years to come. It's not just this month's revenue. It's ongoing revenue improvement. Plus, subscribers who actually convert through welcome flows typically have higher lifetime value. They've been properly educated about your brand and products from the very beginning, so they're more likely to become repeat customers. And finally, you want to integrate your welcome series with your broader strategy. The welcome flow doesn't exist in isolation. It should connect seamlessly with your other marketing efforts and flows. Your ad creative should align with your welcome flow message. If your ads promise glass skin in 30 days, your welcome flow should reinforce the same messaging. Your website experience should match your email experience as well. Same colors, same CTAs, same branding. You want to create continuity in this flow. A messaging like, remember when you first joined our community, it creates continuity and reinforces that relationship. This integrated approach maximizes the impact of every marketing dollar you spend because every single touch point reinforces the other.